Hey everybody, look what we have on the bench today. Slash 4x4. Now everybody has seen that for years, slash 4x4. But what you haven't seen is an affordable slash 4x4. Reason is, the slash 4x4 came with the Millennium system in it, which is a brushless system, which in turn had a lot of features to that as well, but it was very expensive. I mean, you're talking, by the time you pay with tax or everything, like over $500 to $550. This one here is a brushed. It's got the Titan 12T in it, and it's got the XL5 ESC. Basically, what this thing is just a it's a base model slash 4x4. Now, I know from my experience that I have the slash 4x4 with the brushless system in it. The thing will run 16 plus miles an hour on the road. Problem is in front of my neighborhood, where there's kids and stuff, that can become a dangerous issue. Or if your nephew comes over, or your, say, one of your kids wants to drive something that can go fast and jump over ramps and stuff, but you don't want to quite hit that 50 mile an hour plus, this is the one you want. First and foremost, it's affordable. What do I mean by that? TRAXXAS website lists it for $319. My local RC store, where I got this from to do this display for you and box opening, it's selling this for $299. Now, the cool part about this is TRAXXAS has a deal where it's called a power up. Power up means that you could trade in this motor, this ESC, in for a Millennium system for $125. That means you have to bring these two pieces in, and they'll hand you two new parts. And the 24 gigahertz receiver you will get in there as well. And it comes with short course tires. That's what CST stands for, short course tires. And it does come with a battery and a charger. Now these are everything that you're going to need to take it out of the box, charge it up. Well, you will not get AA batteries, so you'll need to put 4 AA batteries in the radio. But other than that, this thing is ready to run. And so this is like, could be a perfect Christmas gift. You just wrap it up. You can go get yourself a pack of 4 AA batteries to include in this thing, and it's ready for Christmas Day or birthdays. So I mean, this is a really awesome feature. Now, why do you want the 4x4 versus the 2-wheel drive? Well, if you want to play in the grass or in a field or something like that, you might get a lot of slippage with just the rear tire spinning. But this has got 4-wheel drive to it, and I'm going to include the video in here from TRAXXAS so you can see what they show you on there as well. The only reason I'm doing that is because this is a display model and I will not be running it, so in order for me to show you, I'm going to have to use TRAXXAS' video to see that. And also I'll include a link at the bottom where you can watch the video yourself and even pre-order this, or go to your local hobby store, or if you live close to Indian Trail, North Carolina, you can go see Robert at Awesome RC Cars. Robert and Tom work the desk, and then you have Walt that works as the mechanic in the back, and he also sometimes comes up and helps customers as well. So 3 awesome dudes, awesome RC shop, no pun intended. It's a really great place. So anyway, let's get this thing open and see what you got here. So we're going to turn this box here so we can cut the seal. That. All right, so we got the seal cut. Now what's the first thing we see is the radio. So as you can see, there is the new radio that comes with the kit. And it holds, I guess, like I said before, you have to get 4 AA batteries for here, which are not included in the packaging. Let's pull this out here. Let's turn this. So we're going to put the radio back in the styrofoam for now. Set that over here. And if you guys are ready for this, I'm going to take out this battery charger that plugs into a cigarette lighter. So, because a lot of people are going to go to a field or something to go play. And okay, so, and it also comes some different adjustments for your shocks. This is actually a battery buffer that you can put in there if you want to use a smaller battery or bigger battery and you don't want it to bounce around. Comes with tools, you know, want to take your tire off, some Allen keys, and a wrench. And it also comes with a quick start guide. So this is awesome. You can also go online and watch this as well too, but this is also a really good thing to do. So let me go set this stuff here and here. And let's get the RC out of the box. And this one is in a real pretty green. So there it is. First of all, love the look. I love the new graphics, the colors, even the wheel colors look pretty awesome. So basically, it's coming with a nice protected bumper with a skid plate here. And so that part is awesome. That way if you're doing a lot of fun stuff, you're not going to tear up your front end so quickly. And it also comes with, a rear bumper. So if you're playing with more than one guy and they hit you in the butt, it doesn't buckle your body. Alright, so let's see what's inside. Let me take this body off. You know, it's got a nice firmness to it. I think it's an awesome thing. Okay, so let's check out what we got in here. Alright, I'm going to use my crawler ramp to help with this. Kind of give us an angle here so you can see what they got here. So, obviously they put a lot of warnings and attention things here. Let me see if I can get that out of the way for now. Alright, so here's your battery that comes included. You pull this little pin and you lift up this part here and your battery comes out. Pretty simple. Or you can put it back in. So remember that rubber buffer thing I was showing you in the package? Here's another one here. And that just keeps the battery from sliding back and forth when you're playing. So here's your so this actually has 2 adjustments. So on this side it's a 25 millimeter holder, and you can see it's a little lighter, and so your battery can move around. This is probably going to be for like if you wanted to put a Lipo battery in, then you can switch this around and it'll be tighter for this battery. But what do I mean by a Lipo battery? Now I just happen to have one here. Okay, so TRAXXAS has Lipo batteries. So like this, for instance, you can take this one out, place this one in. As you can see, this one is a tad bit shorter than that other one. So that's where you'd use that rubber block right here in the tray, so you wouldn't get your battery bouncing back and forth. And the difference in adjustments is you would go to the 25 millimeter, and then that way when you push down it would lock in nice and snug here. And so that way you can put your pin in there and you can have a bigger battery. But this is the battery that comes with it. These batteries perform well, so there's no problems there. Pin back in. Okay, so let's talk some more about this. One thing that's cool about TRAXXAS is they try to make everything waterproof. So basically what I'm talking about is your motor, your ESC are waterproof. And they put the radio receiver inside this for waterproofing. So waterproof / water resistant thing. So anyway, so the TRAXXAS 4-wheel drive is pretty cool. They did a lot of cool things to this. It's so nice to see a nice. So you can readjust your shocks by pulling these little pins out. You can add shorter ones in there if you want your stance to be lower. There's so many things you can do with it. The cool thing about it is they're a lot of fun. The price point is right on. I mean, $299 at Awesome RC Cars is great. If you order it off of TRAXXAS website, it's $319. But I just think it's a really nice RC. Like when you're racing, if you do happen to take it to a local short course track and run it, if there is a local short course track by you and you run it, this thing is actually track legal, track ready. And you can go around, you'll see other guys with other makes and models and brushless and non-brushless and whatever. But this thing has a side basher. See how the body doesn't push in? That's because there is a body protector here to keep them, just in case someone was to run into you, they don't break it. So there you have it, guys. This is the TRAXXAS / 4x4 brushed system. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's, they also have another color too. And their other color, which I'm going to show you here on the box, is this gorgeous orange as well. So, from what I understand, it comes in these two colors, orange or the green. Now you see this little label here. It says first delivery for display demonstrations only. That is only for the RC store, not for sale. So this is a not for sale item until he receives his batch that he ordered, and once they come in, he is allowed to start selling. And he can sell this one, but right now he can't sell it. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the like button. I love to see it when people like my videos. And let's go have some fun with some RCs. Have a good one.